We are back. Dr. Kukufuat na sesansuna eye running for Ebenezer Oklite Taylor so atnase. Also, thank you so much. Continuously, Ujebre Eshebedwem on Adom TV, multi TV. So na Masa Kyle saying Ameya Adoma Efri Adwada Ekopem eye ne Benada Kopem say Electoral Commission for be declared the winner for the Asin North by elections. Your election headquarters, Kokromoti Power. So all our allies, Insure FM, Love FM, Joy FM, Asempa FM, Joy News, Adom TV, all our onlines, will be activated on Monday. Said Yebeya, Ubetivi Ajibre, now also one warrior, the Ekoso, a Asin North in terms of the by election, Ebebasunami Adma Tuesday. It's Asin North for you. Monshare nim say Joada and Munina and Betina say Copim say Electoral Commission for Emeka say Asumesi and Obinting and Edi a year in Kunim. Doc, Akwaba.
Yeah, come
Bantima Bokode.
Mamma, I have for near tier for a channel pay. Amians Minia, Honorable Member of Parliament. And I know a bishop for. Now, no, me de Nkama now.
Yeah.
Sir Dominic Kisi.
Yes.
Now,
looking kind.
Yeah, the Yamias, sir, or the affair can be home. But to Maboko.
Good.
And I know, we didn't have a Jan honor.
Beja Oklite Udini biro say di nam koja wo no edi
Besine ko kuma by election said the SC were here on the team we no mu invade Bantama watch e wo nansa o mu dire na
budget was no go din na
na o chom di no there Bantama watch na
Bantama watch do but 12 midnight kwa kwa
ti kwabra na homo ko enanum so bo ndamase Obama hoye fe
yes
kuma si ye nika Bantama si ye nika
Oklite na bia bako
Nyame Adom
good and no matter say constituency
o Nyame Adom bibia ye bako
okay
we dey me so me fa kwanyanso na me chia me constituency for
okay
me paramount chief Kono ono ano ye Eastern Regional House of Chief President and the chiefs ni nyina me chia wo nyina afen so no me constituency executives ni me party for me campaign team a wo boa me chia wo nyina me yira kakra for about 1 week me buy me nyanko hoye but yeah weekend me fa ho no
okay
but yeah, I mean, so far and everything here calm.
And is still strong.
Yeah, very strong.
I see. Now here I know from when buffer Ghana about here. What's happening in the news when you're comfortable with?
Oh, when I said, I mean, we are a developing country, and Abaya was using a kind of cranty,
So what's happening? Baby, it's not just the member of parliament.
Oh, well, you see, sometimes when you embark on national assignments like that, now, there no concentration, no war. I say, oh yeah, Jumana, because you quack up, Nyansan in India. Now, so could you be yes, you be count at the moment, you know, a lot of the time, no. Time too much. Say who follow a lot of news.
But what follow say our member of parliament, your party member, no?
Yeah.
You see, or court.
Oh yeah, of course. Mama follow. Na me share the question nina. I'm say it is one of the things I wouldn't mind say be discussing. And you know, I've gone back to look at all that has happened. In our absence, ni maba ni the ecosu, ni the ecosu, and rani adinina, and the utterances of the AG. The lawyers nso na hu say omo fo say nsema egi kan no and the advice na mema egi say on oma bibia nkoso because onto the boase because every decision a court ni be take lawyer Dr. Kofu Letian executive presidents among for hwe edisua de ani ade and I believe say in the quest for justice, no. I say be sure na capricious. said yeah my mom and yeah mra pon e kire no because enne yeti hai enne no me I will say without fear of anything say number one enne onu to kan na manfo bi ewu o kan na minimum bre me I've been a victim obi so anybody can say be am greedy said the finance minister and kind but you see one more businessmen are successful e Ghana ha be one more me can say chacha minim say na meka no risk no mu take here life is about taking risks now be responsible for the outcome or the number one buy no obeka mpa aban ankasa kra no o timi influence wom ama ene no the amount sika including me sika adwane se no court no kra on ko biom the issues no so criminal as omo kire say we debate ene no ono the issue no ma manfo wu ni ade nyina kra ne de omo so omo ncha omo say omo court no daily but jatikwesi issue no de ene I assume a certain level of importance be sure say eno no ebia eno na be ma yebetu ayeka ana say do ma sika and I don't know what is going to cure gidi wo mu de koso bana si nyame na si hine na sisi no lawyer for make just ade sub judice I don't want to go far na makoka bibi na ochira na yabe hall me say me prejudice the outcome of the case no until the make can say dua ye de bo techino ye de bo ba enne miti oyi me bra nyina ban die account nyina no nam wa no so kan.
Okay, so what's your understanding of the whole thing? Maybe if really baby I do know. Yeah, now nim fa. The fact is say enne say me nyini say me ba na ma be interpret it is not a matter of interpretation, but unti ase or the whole process.
Yeah, me can say.
Baby, I be do know.
Me nti ase ne say. Ye ma pon no say oye obi a ukra dual citizen. Say
Usunkro is
Usunkro ya. Ye ma nkwan ma onye
member of parliament.
Member of parliament. Na me de me limine say enne ye to abama na uwo constituency. Na speaker ye swear in MPs na wa ama ya swear in unye MP swear what do you call it swear any oath of allegiance, any oath of whatever nyina swear it doesn't make you a member of parliament. Ye to abanoma wa ubeba parliament ye be swear in enu na ma wo ye member of parliament and them you sure say and no and now who call yemra pon say or say before becoming another will be disqualified no ebia now we are dual citizen and no emma hu kwan ma onye member of parliament wo hwe jokwesi asebia ansa na obekwa koto aba na wa apply because me no minim say upese udu hu kodom ekrobia eye voluntary sanso upese uyi hu fi wo mu so a enye obi na be hye wo so wa na obeye ochroye e de koye wo mu jitu mu ba certificate a etre say wa ye no na mai but ansa na ye beto aba no na aba and it answer no obetu ni na come na parliament a mo akwa so ani no na oni allegiance to any country the akano so here eda ho no ma nyina ne the outcome of this trial ani ade nyina no ebeye nhweso bia de ama nyina until me there I don't want to comment too much say na me kan ye no na e be kan say mabe di asem wa ha no me ma asem ba be di asem me kan de miminim e wo ma dwele say at the time oba be sway so be MP no kura ni krata say oni allegiance to any other country
I see. That's all.
That is all. That's all the issue. The no.
If it's a process, no, was avoidable.
Which process was avoidable? Which one?
They all go through CCR.
Yes, of course. Justice Dusil or whatever. I don't like
the retired.
Yes. I don't like the situation with Yaminia. You have to see, university certificate, me baby, I was say. But my family results said they are school baby. Or like in the situation, say, we are working sorry. Now, yes, we are passing. Because, yeah, O level, A level, those days. O level certificate, me who be that. But O levels result slip, no, because those who were called WAEC, no, Ubekono, schools are what choosing, they don't call them. Certificate here. But because women who results say what passing, they don't call. What to us? University is the same thing. Time I'm September na June no I'm cultural exams no. What feel what you say me keep course na be kwa. Ukwa ye whatever. Course be officer go be no choose. Na results no ba. Ansa na wo be hu certificate no kra no. Na ya throw. Say results aba ya file this department say na ukwa ye. And I was very happy say papa no can sir. Say dear ye person ye chere say and say uko pass kra uko hu results no kra no pass ya. This say unya certificate and sana ye be mo akọ school and now be to and now say we use results no. And that is not fair. Now you very careful the way I get ready. Matisse bi mu dey like the course so Abu Sakande ni ade. This is really different. No, at the time I know prosecution and he was holding 2 passports. Holding 2 diakoniaba. Edeba. So he had no intention of denouncing the citizenship. This man took a step. He has, as we speak today. And it me mon there.
Okay.
Say abai we person or no because me information me manya me take.
Why do you keep saying
no seriously because honestly speaking
why do you keep saying abai?
It is strange.
No, why do you keep saying abai?
Yeah, my reason is that no me but just
3 legs. We have the judiciary, we have the executive.
You see if you listen to the way Attorney General Ekasa you know the okan ya man that you know na bufu ye ni I mean describing Question as being irresponsible and whatever. And that he was going to go to prison. He was being judgmental. See, he was going to go to prison. Who says he was going to go to prison? And then a woman on Brazil, you are what? Not guilty until proven, isn't it? What's in Bia woman now? And Obia Wako Meda Obi Kran and Ram didn't call court. Wako Meda, woman the report near the woman besides not guilty. And no crown go woman and from Womu agenda ni issue no crown. What is July? And son Omra. Obia Wakumobio, he has killed out. The evidence is so clear. Case no Attorney General office. And no how many call court no. Woman so Omra July something. Your question there no, I don't think so be a womb. I don't think so be a womb. And only I see him for 5 days, 6 days. If it is not because of this by-election. But now make her say, posterity or China, yeah, this year the money. I'm just hoping, say, today I'm running car, you know.
But do you believe in a judicial system?
Why wouldn't I believe in a judicial system? I believe they are set up, no. But what I'm saying is that it can also, they are human beings. They can be used. They can be influenced.
During the time of the NDC, now you should judicial system.
No, you see, this year.
Debbie, you need to respond
because
it will be healthy for
example of an issue that you think that
we are dealing with the judiciary not under any jurisdiction.
Yeah,
but Ghana.
But what I'm saying, currently they are because there have been instances where some of them have been influenced with a lot of things that have been denied. ABSC, am I a which means they are fallible.
The announced principle.
No, man.
Oh, but please, some of us, we discard this announcement. How do you go and tell me that? Me and come and announce principle because let's not go there.
Don't worry. But what I am saying
you
is
set people up and you say,
what I'm saying is that
the customs officer should take 50 seats after 40 years.
Hold it.
And he's off the mark and you say it's announced principle. What principle is announced principle?
Somebody touted this announced principle.
Oh, please. Politicians, when you sit there, you benefit from one side. Announced principle, they want to
do. I am not, I think I sat here, we condemn some of the things.
I'm guys.
I'm interacting.
Me criticize especially young 30 issue nearby. I thought it was unfair.
What principle?
But what I'm saying is that the same principle, the same thing.
I agree, because somebody quoted that you adopt that.
Yes, and the Americans see and say the issue has taken say, and then there are serious issues, including murder.
Okay, Dr. Kukufu.
Yes, but then there's a question more than daily.
Come and say Achiadada.
Yes.
John ranking. Ranking. Select committee on environment. We environment now identify comrades. Environment now okay, be man na mayoku. A very difficult subject for him. Of course. If you say Okansimbi, or say the na ya adusua, law, precedent.
Yeah.
And clearly, say ubi adadai or mine, and now you susu adadai or mine mra. Na wetimia pekwen bi akowura mrasebedwem. Enye ne nebisi. Ono waka Adamu Sakandi. And then Adamu Sakandi case. Na me were interested pa that time I'm a law student. Na chairman McMenu, me chairman no ponda na national chairman. Now one day be my corner office. Now no chairman now office you know salam down. Bank of Africa. Na me call there. Now I feel a lawyer today. And near money documents in near the abechre. So case no court na course in chairman here one morning be or he see us yeah, Fenny May and your man, Kwamana Kujinai, and Aquabani say. Those were the statement of Chairman Backman. But a Kokodru court now court to say that here into Konako de Fiase. Court to Pamuni free ho, we no then court to a Fiase. Or could there Fiasia, or Pim say, maybe by a buyer or man penny or a wound mobo. State pardon. Ye know bear Busumepe and or call back to London or call ya Nchebe Busumi and San Odiku. Onyame fan a crazy. Minini says Abreno, now buying no, no, or yen this ya buying, na minia cahono. Any court to an or honor. Minini says Abreno, na a ye pan umu pesse, chinchina, umudi sa abranti and fasa aquanoso. Any at a teno, copim se ukuye. No nipa moja wedimu nanso mraninti sebeya mrano beye adwuma na ye nyina beji atum se mrani se na tie nti akoba ne sa ene aduru ho bio o wie no kan yi bi o se ye on pese obeye prejudicial eye but okoko me pani no oye mobo kopim se ono ana ndisi amayoku panifo pa kasa no emo ano. Honestly, and run quamity you be a man penny that a canoe as saying, oh, na macometu. Say a nonsense, Krasu Gina court. Na, say court to see or meda, a hokra de be a backward daho. Now, meanwhile, judge for a lawyer for so or courtois. Almost say, Esre, a filing motion, say, Papa court, yeah, now mammy court, yes, my bre, na, just say, what can say, da, you be the assembly. Mahukwan guso almost now at one point a lawyer for professionals you meduma another point politicians jina baby susuja group and to me sometimes ana me twen say am papa say nipa bi mpese enye wo madwen say papa yi obeko jail na say e bi assembly bi beto na within NDC asase ne de ubisa no 2012 ana pani ba say opesu be jina onu ana mayoku NDC for members. And the Koyi Bass and a Quaranim says, I way, Sanatio. Adamu Sakandi de na MPP for na contest na MPP for bi no mu contest ho na ne koyi ba yo. Say na nsebtie. It happened to Papa 2012. Papa kana sem question. 20 ofri one call back to Canada. The Chrome. Or call the Chrome back to Canada no. 2016 ano san ba biu. Ano san ba so obegina biem e wo NDC dim. Enya that time no enya say obegina for parliamentary elections so primaries. Ana mo hwe nkrata mu na mo se da bi on semfata. Ana mo disqualified biu. The third time no by 2020 no. Mo crofo na answer resi issue no biu. Mo crofo mu no mo contest no. Ansa na eba bedeja say still ano on denounce ye on renounce ye ana mo si chinchina onyina this time round the minute anu wakogina Adamu Sakandi abe anu obi akokot obi na akokot Adamu Sakandi de na this na all power na so mo si obi na akokot your friend no beble or sort say obi na akokot ana court ye na adwuma. Now the first part of the case court de awie or say one sem fata say wotna parliament and unti ye free parliament ho and the first part. Second part in the criminal aspect of it, you see adia near court because you are charging with 5 counts kwama baku ye deceit of public officer, forgery of passport and travel certificates, knowingly making a false statutory statement, perjury, and false declaration of office. These are 5. Your bow quite do who home quine to say the papa can where you charge their bow. We are innocent until say you be prove so we are guilty. Until all the opportunities are there for him say every count. The lawyer for betting me dinner anymore. These are the processes I go through. Until honey was say the bone of contention. And he said, Judge na court to say, Sanya assembly a pese ye na efri okono. There bia obeba court ni akudi. Anna, fortunately or unfortunately, Speaker declare seat in vacant. Electoral Commission so Russian say onko to aba no foforo. Electoral Commission ko share ni date no. Akoba say bra ode ko abuka bia ode be court ni nyina no. Ye beto aba wo mpesua no so. Obi an for so no o mining share ni se chinchinchina onkonko gina abato bi. Enu nti ne court ne lawyer for court no. Ana o mo say maame court we ye pa chew. Ye nipa na o gina wanimu na wudi na asem no. Or national assignment ewo Asin North. Enu nti seda oba court a ebe ha the national assignment ni dwumadi. Then the Attorney General I no prosecute for and on behalf of the state. Naturally, as a oppose motion no. No reason or the oppose motion they say. More defendant ye. Mo say or national one am national assignment. And you one free ni pem. Beba oko contest elections are. And you one au file documents. Oh, tie. Oko contest national elections. And you one wa file documents. And wa kon wa sensa na say me kwamna ma hina na kwamna kukofu. Me pese me be agree me be dibi. Enya national assignment. Enya national assignment. The conduct of the elections by Electoral Commission a national exercise. Now obi bia obe partake no. You do so by your own volition. Wa pem na de koye. Enye wo mine na show say Electoral Commission show bia say me conduct elections. It will be asem wo bra na be gina bi chinchina. No. Enunti ana Attorney General can say ono oposu the omo can because national assignment no omo can ono ohune sa. Ohune say eyo no anankasa ne personal ade o person ye. Na bio onim pefe se ogina ko ano a yedi na asem. Na asem a yedi en ebetimi abase ebi obedi for no bi obekọ afiase. Many ekase wo say wa project say obeko jail. He did not say so.
No, he said it was irresponsible. You know,
And Mami can hear you. Or say, he said it was Mr. Kwesi's selfish quest to contest in the by-election, knowing very well that he is facing a criminal trial, and the possible outcome is that he could, and the operational way.
Oh, that's a fact.
He could.
Why you run away from?
He could be convicted and sentenced to prison. Now, why do you wait for prosecution?
Why did he say it was selfish?
It's so simple. You the next issue. You said what you can say. You who deeper because of the court matter. Unim say, Onyame Mpengu, Oyare, Yayebia, any who calls you dear Johnny. Also, condo. No, I could dear Johnny. Probably to say, a Johnny to me, I'm walk off. And I said, more hangy in no, untimin judge. Now, it's chinchina, Udi, means at your own risk, not at the risk of Obibia, but at your own risk.
You see, we're not
I still have the floor. Enti Wadaroma.
No, but dog, beso or trade into officer could no. No problem, Fabia.
But you see, I'm running say until you are proven.
But he said cool. He said cool.
No, listen, but he said you're selfish.
But whose interest is he said?
Who is interest?
You see, I am surprised I will say, and if the people of Ase decide say yeah to a bar, electoral commission cannot have an election.
But how is that
possible? Say, you see, the reason why I care about national, the fact that it's a national duty, a national cause.
No, please. Dr.
Election, no, and there say, you have got to a banner. Now say, a sinful here to a banner. Electoral commission has no business. Has no business.
No,
has no business. And then say you move kwako to aba. Na candidates be any one man. Only it may be I one more. And you know, this is a national activity, a national call by the nation to elect reps to represent them in parliament. And it you know say na obi ni wako. So he is partaking in a national assignment.
Okay, so yes. So without Ubino, the assignment will not go on.
Of course.
Okay.
It will not. Listen, and then you see the same selfish but for the selfish interest of the MPP. Maybe I could do it.
Okay. So
because woman can transfer who say campaign no and cost me the only thing is to make sure that they prevent this gentleman, because woman would say his stature, and the man is a strong person.
Okay.
And therefore, that's the only thing. Abu Sakari
had the stature. He won, and he sat in parliament. And on the way, he had the opportunity.
Okay.
If you want to go to the Abu Sakandi, just say Assembly Crab say, Adamu Sakandi even did not have the opportunity. So Obekwa correcting him back, so Obeba contested. He was sent to prison straight from there. You free parliament now. He was put behind bars. So he did not even have the opportunity. Now, yes, it is a national assignment. Yes. But the players now, you are coming in on your own volition. Say, who knew say, and I know Oko primacy. So, one copia. Obibako. See, yeah, Baba to general elections. So,
you can't. So,
so therefore, the point is clear. The Attorney General did not pronounce judgment ọkyerɛ na against baby a wogina no ebetumi aba sɛ ebe kuni aboatia na ebe wobɛkɔ afiase na ɛno no nso so the work of any attorney general who prosecution wopɛ sɛ wonya convict nipa no wonya ne awopɛ ɛno nti na the first attorney general under the late Professor Mills onyamefa ne kransi Maame Betibo Didusu even before she could go to court. Now, you see MPP for Binoma Disikoma Yesenia. She was bold enough in public. I say on my desk sit about 46 people going to court and you will jail them. I say I will jail them. Before I cross on basic court to them. Because now I say so court on Kwano Mudi for there. Odim say obetimi a secure convention. That was her thinking. And Attorney General, and he thought that one because in a human no. Now, sisi a baby a way, a critical a way. O say as enough ayede. As enough for ye Ghana for. Di won ho so as a community constituency. Won so here says so many representation. Enti omo de emfa ho ne wo a wo begina bie be ma yoku a ofrim ba bia ofri wo do ho banko a na electoral commission ka se ye meto aba na won kɔkyerɛ wanwen a that is final we ye kɔkyerɛ adwene ana bibia nkɔba ho a omo ni asɛm bia ensam no na ye ntaa ba maame ba ko no so ye MP saa NDC MP ono nso so ye de ne kɔ court twe na se wo sanse mi bi ho court tena se hwehwe ne nkratam court ye na court se daabi maame onye mfomso kwadu ye de abɔ wo se wa afɔgiri wei wo dual citizens wo ahwa nyina ente saa enti kɔna kodi wo MP eno de abobɔ se e kan se court ayɛ ade nti de biara da na de biara asɛm biara se kɔma anko ama de court
okay, so you enjoy a Honoma court, near the court. We all believe in that. You all believe afterwards.
Now, no, for the record.
For the record,
Ushe Yemra Pona. Oja Kwenye Bidima Yisi. Yisi na Oyemra Yedi Twaba. And sana that question beko akoye file no. This issue was raised. Issue no led by Jill Mensa. Eclair. Based on what
Dr. Srib was Dr. Srib. No, last week I interviewed Dr. Srib. No, Dr. Srib. No, the Electoral Commission has no power.
That's the point.
Has no power.
To do what?
To say what to manage over there.
What they disqualify?
No, what the Electoral Commission said. I asked the same question. I asked the same question. Say, look, the ebinimo ka me gidi say. Eya de na me de me nkrata be gumonim. Na onim say me ntimi empass answer we. Na wo se chinchina me nyina me nko say David. Ye de ye ntimi ngi bring kase e kohwehwe obi a Obesia Kantio.
No, a concern was raised. It was an issue.
Oh, Jamaica,
too. Even quite the judgment, court to cite what do you call it? Easy. So, one man, you may.
No, dear. Aha, my memory.
Oh, what can I say?
You don't have the floor.
No, you are.
So, what do you want the Electoral Commission?
Okay, the other issue too is that I just want my brother to understand. Abu Sakandi, at the time I remember convicting. Now, on your attempt, so bad now say attempt. No crap, but only took the British passport to coin that period twice.
I see.
In Parliament. Okay, that one. I am very much interested in
that is the area I want us to have a conversation.
Quick one. You see the mini. Yes, Electoral Commission by Fishon.
Yeah.
Now, also, you are not university.
2 years.
2 years, 5 years.
Certificate
Yes. And
but this one, he got the certificate and you fake.
Why accounting? Why charges?
Let's leave the court.
On what basis will somebody's name be expunged from Parliament? On what basis? What are some of the reasons?
One, say, who say the election no a fraud. Maybe you if you know. Ukoye Terekano, one of the issues, let's say, unye qualified. Now, unye qualified.
At the time,
no.
At the time, I able to.
At the time,
you able to about. Yes, attempt. My attempt to say me. My apply Canadian visa. It's next week. Next week. Next week. My intimate call help. Let me do my ticket. My ticket is Canada. Me do airport to her. Near Buzana Kwamna will visa the coca. So my apply into a baba to mom and cock. Then we could do her. Let's Is that logic?
Yeah, in politics, logical. Creating a lot of. You see, in your quest to denounce, who can submit your application, you return your passport. You return your passport.
Honorable.
Honorable.
My brother.
There's no way of it.
Go and help the lawyers.
Go
and help the lawyers.
You file all your documents. No, me, I don't have that capacity. So but I'm telling you, the say, who can file here? You add all. Yes, you best put in.
Briben na all the charging nyina ko wia oji tum safre o ye no Canadian citizens bi e briben
you say ene miti asisi ya no na ye give me driving license I'm no more a driver. I can't drive.
Me say briben na all the passport no attach say me dey call
who your application no no you add everything to it now they are two you don't have access to their passport
the citizen bi
you don't have access to their passport. Other ones to court no.
I see this topic in
media. Many Jews say, "Yeah, the bear this year, dear." Eddie Amayan. Yeah. You mean that?
You are worried. I see.
Yeah, I'm worried about 85% of teachers fail licensure exams.
83.5.
83.5. Sorry, 83.5.
Anyway, it's not too different.
Yeah. Me fair, in fact, there's something going on. Now, I'm going to start from this angle. Say, we have always said, the enemy of the teacher is the teacher. I'm saying this not because of say I'm feeling, but because of the reactions I may take from NTC. What's the name?
Dr. Christian
Adepuku and other commentators who are supposed to be teachers.
They are teachers.
They are, yes. But they are killing the morale. You see, they have lumped all the teachers together and they are bastardizing them. But I know, say, if this were a proper analysis of this situation, who say there are two categories of teachers. Those who sat in class throughout the training colleges, I am sure, I don't have the data, but I'm convinced. So the number of teachers who went through our universities and who sat in the training colleges and went through and had the, what do you call it, they went through the training. What do you call it, attachment, they are the only true exam. I'm sure, I don't think that they will be up to 1% crowd was affiliated.
You are maybe
maybe.
These are graduate teachers.
Yes.
And graduate teachers, no.
Maybe one more class, you were a bit more in the distance. Distance, education.
Both distance and then classroom getting.
The Americans say, "Ya lampu all teachers."
So,
your commentaries now, demoralizing teachers. We are painting teachers black. Because you see, your Kroma and lawyers, FLE exams will be. I don't think they will be for scripter. a commenting on brofo lawyers no tro ya mom di failure. Nobody went out there to give that detail. Pharmacists wo tro exams fail de bia. Doctors wo ko tro exams fail de bia. Me ni say wo de pharmacy council and say medical and dental council. If I were scripts no be translate look at what they have written and whatever they said they almost can say we share English I want to no porto ni we ni ade. In fact, it is putting fear. Our young parents are your schools no that we are not safe. If you answer these teachers are no much incorporated. And then I can say, I want them to come out with better, analysis of the situation. They ensure the way you bet me solve the problem. But I believe I am so convinced that if the person sat in a classroom, maybe Wako University of Cape Coast and Winneba. Now, for the 4 years now, Uko teaching practice. We are in out no me now. During that period, attachment we know, and now we throw exams now. I don't think there will be failure anytime. But any portal to say.
But if you look at our graduate teachers,
I have not seen them in who breakdown.
The breakdown is there. And no about Sempa eating some common one year distance. One year school go through process.
Yes.
He been quite the year worse, and he said that as a teacher who taught for over 30 years. Remember?
Yes, that's another thing. I'll come to that.
And on your comfortable with even the conversation that we are having. But and one could hear you say, "Oh, free your poem." I mean, you know, Kakrama and Abia and all the other ones. Oh, free your poem and my bonting. And my own patron so to say the won't see your poem crampo da. And a way and Kofwa, a be much in about 8 times, 9 times, 10 times. So a worrying. It's looking from all the angles, what is contributing to where we are now. That's the challenge. In Jordan, but for maybe licensure exams, and wholesale can nemusa.
Enra, most sending me topics. I decided to go back. We call back into the intention, another intent of the licensure exams. Almost syllabus. I went back and I'm going here almost some of their past questions. If you want past questions. Now, interestingly, area also want fairly put on your mathematics, numeracy, yes. Now, I am telling you for a fact, say, if the NTC will sit down, now they shouldn't be carried away by the complaints. 85-83% are failing. They must also come out and give reasons.
There are reforms coming, for instance.
What did they make an answer?
Reforms, somebody by me say, they've seen that teachers not do geography, and I'm sure geography.
Yes.
They believe that as someone who call the paper or geography more.
But those reforms are coming. Nobody see.
Two, but almost say reforms, will come with area of specialization plus general paper knowledge.
Yeah, that's the point. And for pedagogy, you can take it away. Your teaching methods and whatever. You cannot, as I said, it's about to say base. They are the basics. Now, utre science are the same. Utre science are utre English. Utre you can find ever find space. But the American say. Me share the content, the past questions. Me share mathematics, me share English, And I came to a conclusion, say, we have to delve more into this. Now you share, baby, casualties need free. But I suspect, seriously say, a lot, because, a lot of the guys now we distance learning near them. They are not teachers. If we be a teacher, we call teacher training college. Where we or year or top up, but top up no a distance. And no, different. But we SS no. There are some private training colleges near there almost 2 years are the same thing. Now, omu fi ha or friends omu tifie and on those courses. how the money to pass they are doing another thing.
There's a school.
But the American say
there's a school of thought that.
But the American say those who stay, the American those who stayed in class, when they want teaching practice, when we have proper supervision, me sure say if we go deep into this, you know, who say numbers now, we are feeling yeah, that distance learning for now. Now they were not teachers. They were not teachers. If you want quiet, a certain basic training, colleges, before when we teachers are, when we call top papa, requires some examination. And it's, my advice to the NTC is, one, let us not, throw the baby with the bathwater by putting all teachers together, because commenter me tie, to say teachers here. Woman you be at say obi a friend who teach bia o nye
in the next 8 minutes, but Mamen Kyle said this is good news for you. Say oyo obi a wa oye wadwuma say oye fashion designer say oye obi a oyiti makeup artist, online entrepreneur, oye consultant, private legal practitioner, oye mason and I say oye driver. We and Shishaya snake for Eddie Gua Quemu. Now, Omatudin said seed. The Etienne, any hour Hodia Oye Juma as a year will be away while with Jumano. One in your Bahonum, not just the formal sector, the informal sector. One near Bahonable Bow, Ama what make Gina Hui. Na Dachia Semuntino. Also, what to me Okwa home Jima, what to me and Faso dear. Inti mwani na ho na honestness ento saa ayonkofa we mu enhye mu den said ye be ya se mo ye kuku mo ye ankwankra tete nyuma hodo amabrobusu ya mo ye mo nyuma ya mo suma betima be ka wa sign up or register to say asnet chef for be friend seed ya wonya mfaso de pa ebeboa odachi odachi nti ana ye kan say fa ho bebo snet ebra one de saa seed eyen hihye na ato honom no. Say open source sign shasi ya number of friend 0302 611 622 and now say dial star 711 star 9 hash na hano de o contributions no ana obetua afa hodom but the nya kesepa na say o state office bia na so fresh state office bia one be ma onchiremu ni ya mo atiase na watimi abeka the seed in Shishaya snake for the Ababa Ankrankra Juma fashion designers barbers and so makeup artists, online entrepreneurs, consultants, private legal practitioners, mason in one kaka. Genuine free snake seed in Shishaya on the Abba anymore. Doctor,
quick one. I will say, meaning we ye but assassin no assassin send you reason and the teacher for near lumpu together no and any casem so be information I say teacher for aquatron so
7,300 or
yes,
so and then 6,100
now obia nim the category of teacher for aquatron so say bibi wo ho as oman yetimi anya kokoduru aye bema teacher adwuma na anima benyam na pagya one of such policy any ade say professional exams a lawyer for kokutua so pharmacist for kokutua so nyumaku awodo a wo mu yes professional exams kokutua so because otimi ni nyina achi no sanka se mikuta professional
no why first
mikuta professional certificate na nim say ye wo mra wo memu a man hwe law no establish professional bodies the sa professional bodies no me obi mu apart from say me wo GBA Ghana Bar Association mo is a member of International Bar Association. And I'm a member of Ghana Institute of Foresters. Now, when we have forest management school, culture, we no. As a member of Ghana Institute of Foresters, as a exams. sorry now we go through and sana at one point in time na me a PRO for the National Council. We were conducting the exams near as you see me no ka say you conduct papa we teacher ni na me refi so no obeka ba me we teacher ni just a lecturer so KNUST. Now he knows in principle says the teacher ni unkwada atro nsɔhwɛ na wo maaki na wɔn a momodene a wo teacher ni no wo ye worried ko eniama tu I just say teacher ni no wo akasa wo momodene na ade a wo kyerɛ wo nkwala no wan kyerɛ wo ade pa ama wo mahu ana sɛ nkwada na antenia na wo pɛ sɛ wo kyerɛ na se ana bi a nkwada ntria we na ewu. These are the three. A banisa. And answer questions. Some set. We are no.
Mantiman
Kobasa area. And to fail an exams, and I be better teach man. Here, if you move be brain teaching. They are not managing on say or try say or prefer solution. And I'll train admin so. Send Nurakrano, money, Dumakuno, penny for Din Kutaho. And we didn't Kutaho, and near Magua Quemoa, best ever. Na sachra na eba no ebi ni say which is very very important. Say me kwabna he na specialization wo. Fa me fa ho. Of course general you say you converting. Ono verting otna ho bi. Papa panimu a obo ne bra awia president so omra me bi minister. Mo kan tintin parliament. Busebusa ne nsem ne ade ni mo busa na busa ne din date of birth. Da kwamna ati we da kakra no aye mai
date of birth.
Date of birth. It is just a nim. E papa saw ni nyina abusa wo ma ene wanam otua. Ni nyina aye se wo kaka ho na ni papa se ehunu. Dwumadi a de hye wo nsa no. Wa dwempo wo so wa koma wo so wani gi agye ho. Ye ade a eya wo wiase. Any so nipa be find yourself our baby a wo ye adwuma bi na wankasa wakoma ne wani gie ni
anyho
ubomode se de ya esan se wakoma ne wadwene ni ho enti san so hwe we eye ade a omamu ni nyina create na enya abai we no danya ne ye no se enya san so hwe eye nhihye wo ho dadadada akokodura na asoman yenya nyae ana ne mpanifo de aba enti going forward no minim se aka kuma bi sa ne ma ye hunu bio so on the reforms ni ade ba na futuo kakra m de be ma me wo fa asefo ne yenuanom nkuma omu be kosa nso hwem se yesre won so hwe ketua bia nim wo do opa frɛ professors be se du egu dem na ka chom so ba yo mu so hwe wo be hu omu hopo abapo enu nti eya mamom ye ntoto na asemfa ne ma bi ni agro wan hwe yi a question no kura yebusa na daw na ho anka wo tin waso kakra bi a ana wo bie wani kakra bi anka be hu so se ne ye pa kire so na ka bi a wakoya me na free ho na no professional bodies law for ye die se no so be ya asem sa nipa ni bi ko na bi a wa hwe lawyer ni a no wa kwaba then but yes in so hwe no wa pass e na ahomete e ye demoralizing e ha adwene me gitum na emom awofoi enya de a ehu nsihye no eboa am yehu sinto a ewo adekire mu na mpani apɛho ne pomasibre na ya perfect na kɔ after all ye per quality education na dia
okay so ye better
akomatu bi anim won a aba ne sa mama ba mu mom kantem ho na nhihye a mpani de begu ho no mom ye ni so kama na bra no wo teacher what the teacher che wo be kwa control so he
the person me kire ne say
bio
say a band here my worry was the details now we dey back out
camera details no me I do not agree with the details I agree but to be na upia hufuo bebia na to ne be ma bia na so bo no dos nti okay se sanity amode mo say yes